Good morning. The last time we saw each other was Christmas Eve back in Canada. Right now it is almost February and we are in Florida. And if you can't guess from the title, we're in Disney World. We've been here for about 2 days, but day one was like a travel day. And yesterday was supposed to be a relaxing day, but we ended up going to all 3 parks just for fun. So today we have designated to Magic Kingdom and try to get these shoes on. And it should be really fun. So I'm in my park attire, aka leggings and a sweatshirt, and I have a coat because it is freezing outside. It looks beautiful, but it is really cold. This is our view. We're in the Boardwalk Hotel. Woo! That wind. It's a pretty cold day. So Andrew's been waiting for me. Actually, the store. Andrew's been waiting so nicely for me. We have coffee and we are going to go. Let's head to the park. Tired?
I feel fine actually.
I feel pretty good. I thought I'd be more tired. Oh, I guess we have to take the train. Forgot. Yeah. We have to take the bus. It's crazy because I'm from Canada and I'm freezing right now. It's so cold.
Oh, campus fee of $25 less. $24.
We have arrived. The park has just opened. Oh, I don't think you can see me in the sun. The park has just opened. We have fast passes, and my favorite thing is tonight we're going to eat at Be Our Guest, which is the Beast Castle. We went last time we were here when it just had opened. Really excited about that. We have a few fast passes, so we're just kind of play everything by ear today. We still have 8 days left here. We've been here for 2, so I don't feel rushed. I'm so happy. Aren't you happy?
Yeah,
I'm happy. Woo! Oh, that wind is very brisk.
I wish I had a rhyme for this poem. Can someone help me? Please?
Materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights.
That was fun. Now we are heading to Big Thunder Mountain. Splash Mountain is close, but I would not even want to go on Splash Mountain because it is so cold. It really is like very surreal to be here. Maybe because I'm kind of tired that it doesn't feel real, but I'm trying to take it all in. We are headed to Peter Pan. It's like a 55-minute wait. No choice though, no choice. After this ride, I'm going to get a giant donut. Basically my plan for this trip is to just eat one treat a day instead of like eating anything that I want all day long and gaining 10 pounds or just feeling swollen and sluggish. I'm just doing one treat a day. So yesterday was the I had Dole Whip, pineapple whip, and then I am gonna have the donut today. Been having salads for lunch and dinner, which is great. But today, I don't know, be our guest. I need to look at the menu. What? Oh.
Mãe, Princess tem loira. Loira ou
Essa aqui, ó.
It's like comfortable.
And off we go!
Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
We're stuck. Oh, that's so creepy. Oh, we can't go through. Gotta go around. Now, get a coffee and a donut. Are you gonna get a coffee, you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a coffee.
Yeah. like it. I hope it's good. We're taking a bit of a break. We have a fast pass for Pirates, and it is quite chilly out. So we kind of been like going in and out of places. So we got coffee. Our fast pass is good in about 15 minutes. So I'm excited for We've been behind a lot of babies today. Yeah, I'm excited for Pirates. Fast pass. Oh, there's a line for a fast pass. Fast pass entrance. Very chilly.
Remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the door.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow out, and a fortune in I think Claude's bringing. I've been working too hard sorting Ariel's human stuff. This is a great pay. That's why.
Fair in New York City in 1960.
No more gas.
Sarah sure gets to the core of the apple.
Rover, I was only kidding. By the way, we have indoor plumbing now. Oh boy, that's really great on cold nights, especially for our perennial house guest, old Uncle Orville. Uncle Orville's taken over the coolest spot in the house, of course, and he's rigged up a real clever contraption. Shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow. Tomorrow's just a dream away. Tomorrow's just a dream away. He follows his dream with my heart.
Fill that can! Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Yes, we are. We are checked in for our dinner at Be Our Guest. We are going in. We can go inside. We can wait outside, but I think we're gonna wait inside. It's really cool.
Our master's requested the bachelor party.
Smells so nice.
What you wanted.
You okay?
Yeah. Ooh, it's spooky in there.
Having good day so far?
Yes.
Enjoying the not so seasonal warm
Well,
weather?
we're from Canada, so
It's warm to you.
it's, yeah. Sorry. So sorry. Thank you. Awesome. This room. Details are really cool. Oh, he's gone. Beast left. Barely came in. Is he coming back? This is a dessert trio. The gray stuff, white chocolate, a macaron, and a truffle. And this paper is sugar paper, and it is edible. Maybe I'll try and eat that.
Oh, that's weird.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the paper. Tastes like paper. Not a fan. We're heading back to the resort now because it is freezing cold. We can't get warm. And Andrew's never cold. So we're gonna go back and rest. Sorry. This is so low. Hello. What about here? Okay. Woo! It has been a day. I look a little crazy. And we've just been lying down. I am so tired. It was so cold today. We were talking to somebody and we had mentioned that we were from Canada, and they were like, oh, this must be warm for you. And I laughed, I was like, yeah. And then I was like, no, this is freezing. I just looked at my phone and it feels like 1 degree Celsius here. It was a really cold day, so I feel like that made us extra tired, and it was so cold that even Andrew was cold and couldn't get warm, and he is never ever cold. I feel like he is always boiling hot, and I'm always having to, like, I don't know, in the car turn down the heat or whatever. So it was that cold, and we were outside all day except for when we were in the rides or shows, and waiting outside was really cold. So recap, today was amazing. Be Our Guest was so good. It was actually delicious, the sea scouts. I'm really sleepy. I want to take a shower and then go to sleep because tomorrow is a really long day, like every day. And yeah, I wanted to show you outside our view. It is spectacular. You can't see the fireworks, but it's amazing. So we have a really nice, it's really cold though. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I already posted, but that is the beach club and yacht club, Swan and Dolphin hotels right there. Swan and Dolphin. Whew, it's so cold. And then obviously the boardwalk. Oh, my feet are cold. So yeah, we have such a nice hotel room, but I am going to take a shower and go to bed. I look really tired. So, thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you again for another video.